Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark from your videos on CapCut PC. So to do that, I'm just going to copy and paste the video here, and I'm just going to go to mask and I'll select the rectangle one, and I'm gonna get like an area above it, and I'm going to scroll it and I'm just going to place it down. And I'm just going to go to mask here. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and I'm going to feather it out. And hopefully it covers everything, but you'll be able to see it still, but just a little. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!